Okay, so let's look at the breakdown here. Yesterday, I know during the open I was looking at it, it was kind of choppy during the actual open for the first like 30 minutes. And then it wasn't until after like 10 a.m. that the market really started moving and just started dumping. You can see here, we had this whole move during New York. I had to put a fib to see how it reacts. Retraced perfectly to the 50% mark, and then went ahead and continued to make a lower low right on the 27 on this green line here. So you can delete the fib because that was already filled. That was the move I was planning for today, but it already happened. Let's go ahead and see the market right now. You can see really the only, it's super bearish, right? We had this little retrace and it just went ahead and made lower low like I mentioned. So clean bear structure, London, New York. What is it? Is this news or something? Like, this is crazy. But yeah, if you look at news, I'm just looking at exactly what the market's telling me. We have pre-market lows right here. That's really the only entry I would be looking for. I'm not going to be looking for buys. Again, you can take buys here if you want. Something like this, right? But I'm really focusing on only entering when we have a previous session high or low, and there's no previous session high or low here. There's like nothing to the left for months. We're actually super low, which is crazy. We haven't been to these levels since, sometime last year probably. But yeah, this is really the only entry I'm looking for. Keep it simple today. Again, I'm just doing what the market's telling me. What is it telling me? Pre-market's here. I'm not trying to overthink and be like, oh, but if, maybe volume doesn't reach there, blah, blah, blah. No, none of that. Just doing whatever it's telling me. Just reacting like a fucking robot. So that being said, go ahead and start putting here the entry. Again, today I'm just doing 50 points TP. That's what I always do on Fridays. Again, if it takes off on buys up here, I'm probably going to just close my entry and I won't take any sells today, or I won't take any trade. Because again, I'm just reacting to what the market's telling me. I'm not trying to overthink it or anything like that. I found that when you just react that way, you get the best results, right? When you start trying to overthink and predict and do a whole play where it's going to do this and then do something like this, and when you start doing all that and just overthinking, it just never works out. Okay, I put my sells entry. About 1 second left. You're probably gonna get put in. Okay, yep, I'm put in. Ooh, pretty volatile. Let's see. Yep, stopped out. Damn. Wow, I need to rip through my stop loss. Damn, that's some bullshit. Wow. Like $50 over my stop loss on every account. And it will hit TP after. Oh, that's just some bullshit. Whatever. It is what it is. I'm done for the day, guys. Still green week overall. Just one loss. Not terrible. Let's look at the trade, copier. Yeah, blew past my stop loss. Wow. Super annoying when that happens. All for it to hit TP anyways. I mean, should we wait for a pullback? I mean, we had a pullback. It opened all the way over here. And look, it did the move perfectly. And it started retracing here. But whatever. It is what it is. It's part of the game. We'll come back Monday, do the same thing. I'm sure Monday we'll win that back plus more. We usually do. Look, it's still dumping. It's super bearish. I mean, the market's super bearish. Sells are the only move. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. Don't stress it. Trust me. Still green week. We'll be back on Monday. We'll make it all back. It's just the beginning of the month. And yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. We'll be back on Sunday for the market breakdown. And hope you guys have a good one. Later, everyone.